Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren today said that generation from Lamdeng Solid Waste Management Plant will be reality in a few days' time. He was launching the second phase of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan at Imphal's Quaramban Market. The program is taken up under Clean India Mission. Department of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan BJP Manipur Pradesh organized the function. Despite massive efforts made by the Mizoram government and civil society organizations to curb drug menace, the drug death toll is increasing in the state after the total prohibition on alcohol. As per media reports, at least 67 people, including 6 females, have died due to drug abuse last year against 55 in 2019. According to data available with the State Excise and Narcotics Department, all 67 victims died due to heroin. A 3-month free training course on dye stuff, chemical preparation, operator, and mushroom grower began today at Taubal Atokbam, organized by members of Yuva Vikas Society Taubal. Around 80 trainees are taking part in the training program. India added 16,375 coronavirus infections in the past 24 hours, placing its overall number at 1.03 crore cases, the Health Ministry's data showed. The number of fresh infections is marginally lower than yesterday. In this period, India reported 201 deaths linked to the virus, taking the total number of fatalities to 1,49,850. Meanwhile, nearly 56 million people in England will return to a full coronavirus lockdown, possibly until mid-February, to try to cut spiraling infection rates, Prime Minister Boris Johnson said yesterday. With 51 new COVID-19 cases recorded in Manipur in the last 24 hours, the caseload has reached 28,332. The deadly disease claimed 3 lives in the same period, pushing the toll to 361. The cumulative number of active cases is 1,109, while the recovery cases are 26,862. One Nur Hassan of Mayang Imphal Bangun Mamang is alleged to have set ablaze the house of one Mohammed Themba of Mayang Imphal Bangun Yangbi in the wee hours today. Sakina, wife of Mohammed Themba, said that the incident happened around 3 a.m. She also said that Nur Hassan also held a gun while setting the house on fire. Sakina claimed that Nur Hassan committed the crime because her daughter blocked his mobile number. She also informed that her daughter was engaged with Nur Hassan after she completed class 12. In its efforts to reach out and salute the sacrifices of the veterans towards the nation, 44 Assam Rifles under the aegis of 22 Sector Assam Rifles organized an interaction with the veterans and their spouses at battalion headquarters yesterday. The endeavor was to educate them about various welfare schemes with regards to ASSAM as promulgated from time to time by higher headquarters. As part of National Youth Festival 2021, NYKS Manipur held a district-level Youth Parliament Festival competition on virtual mode on December 29 and 30 last. The topics of the Youth Parliament were new education policy, zero-budget farming, climate change and women empowerment. 12 Bangladeshi nationals who allegedly entered India illegally was arrested in Tripura yesterday. They were arrested with fake AADHAAR card from Agartala airport while they were about to fly to Chennai on an Indigo flight. Indigo staff members detected their fake AADHAAR cards when they had gone to collect boarding passes for traveling to Chennai from Agartala via Guwahati, the media report said. In a joint operation, Assam Rifles and the Nagaland police arrested an NSC and KN cadre near Old Shaubua in Dimapur yesterday. The PRO IGAR and informed that the arrest was made based on specific input where the security forces and the state police launched the operation. The Assam Rifles claimed that 1.32 mm pistol along with magazine and 7 live rounds were recovered.